Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone on iOS 18. Before you start watching this video, dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. And let's get down to our topic, friends. If you notice that you're having some problems connecting to some device, maybe your headphones, speaker, or something else via Bluetooth, let's get into what the problem might be and how to fix it. First of all, I recommend you to check if the problem is your iPhone or some other device you can't connect to. To do this, try connecting, for example, headphones, a speaker, or whatever you are having problems with to another phone. If you don't have any problems connecting and working with that device, then the problem is with the iPhone. What can you do? Well, first of all, please open up your settings, go to Bluetooth, and I recommend that you disable that option. Turn it back on after about 30 seconds or a minute to reset Bluetooth. I also recommend that you go to some of your tools and your Bluetooth devices that you've connected to before, and just delete that device from your iPhone. After which, reconnect it again simply by reconnecting it. If that doesn't work, I recommend that you go further into General and System Updates and see if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. You can also try rebooting your device. To do this, under General, please scroll down and tap Shutdown, then turn off your iPhone. Very often, a simple shutdown can help you with the problem. If that didn't help either, then please go to the option to transfer or reset your iPhone in the General section. Click Reset and reset all the settings. But keep in mind that resetting all settings will delete all your media files, settings, and data from your iPhone. These are the methods so that you can fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone. I really hope the video has helped you. Don't forget to put likes and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.